it's me, Allegra. I'm hopping on today to share a Kiss Lashes try-on haul. I have all of these new lashes from Kiss to try out today. This is from their new Muse collection, which is inspired by that royal core. They're designed to give you just the most gorgeous, flattering fit. They're softer than any of their lashes, they say, that they have come out with before. And they are all handmade as well. So you can pick these up at the drugstore, or I'm sure they do have them online, so you can pick them up online as well. But let's try them out today and see, how they apply. I know I love my Kiss lashes. That's really all I wear. But let's try these out and see how they fit. Now, also, I wanted to have a giveaway today, so watch the video. Also, be a subscriber. Give me a thumbs up if you'd like to be entered to win a couple of these for yourself. So let me go ahead now and try on the first lashes that I just reached for here. These are called the Legacy lashes, and these ones just look like they're calling my name. There are super, much more. These ones are also very kind of on the natural side. This one is the Noblesse. And then this one here is called Sire. So these ones I feel are on the more, natural side. Whereas these ones here are super duper glam. So if you love very, very glam lashes, you got to pick these up. These ones are called Duchess, and this one is called Empress. Let's just dive right in. I'm going to, what did I say? I was going to try Legacy first. So here's Legacy. Let me go ahead and put the lash glue on, take them out the box. I love this beautiful packaging, the green and then the gold. It looks like that corset style. So love that. And I love how Kiss lashes do. These ones in particular come with their own case. So you can go ahead, reuse them up to 25 times, and you just go ahead and put them back in the case when you're done wearing them, and this way they'll last super long for you. And take off any glue, that might be accumulated on the lash band, and these will last a very long time for you. So I'm just going to apply my Kiss Strip Lash Adhesive, and they did come out with a new glue, which I just picked up today at the drugstore, and it's called Super Strong. But I was about to use it, and I got scared, you guys, because I'm like, what, since I'm going to be taking these lashes off and on, I don't know if it says Super Strong on it. So it's a new one. I said, I don't know if the lashes are going to come off. So I figured, let me stick with my tried and true for now, just in case, that one doesn't come off, the new one. So let me see here. They do look kind of big for me, so I'm going to have to trim it down to fit my eye shape. I do have hooded eyes, so I hope these will work well with my hooding as well. Although, like I said, I always have a good, or actually a great experience with my Kiss lashes. But these do look kind of long, so let's see here. Yeah. I mean, unless you kind of cheat it upwards like that, then yeah, actually they're not too long. So let's go ahead and leave them as they are, because I do love that look where you kind of take the end and, kind of like position it in an upwards motion. Love that. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. I'm not going to cut this. Let's see. So now these are super soft. They did say these were going to be made of an extra super soft fibers. These are faux silk hair fibers, and they do feel extremely soft, especially compared to my other Kiss lashes. So what I like to do is just take the lash band and just apply the lash glue to the band like so. Just run it over the band, and then we'll just let that sit for a moment and go ahead and do the other lash while we wait for that one to dry. The lash glue does dry really fast though from Kiss. And I've been experimenting lately. Actually, I've just been going through my stash, and so I was using up different lash glues that I have, and I was like, wow, I have so many lash glues that are horrible. And they're not, it's not, this one is a lifesaver. I know so many people love the, what is it, the Duo, and then I had another one. Wow, they're just not, I think, what it is, if you have hooded eyes, you need a certain kind of lash glue, because you cannot, the lash glue has to just dry and not be sticky and too long and things like that, otherwise the hooding will get stuck in the lash glue, so that is not a good look. So anyway, the Kiss lash glue though does last. I mean, it's just perfection, let's just put it that way. Also, it doesn't irritate my eyes. A lot of lash glues prior were having my eyes stinging and watering, and then the lash glue from Kiss though, this one that I've been using is called the aloe version, so that might have something to do with it. You know, it is infused with aloe vera. So let me just check it. Yeah, with aloe. Clear. I love it. This is the one that I just think is bomb.com. It's called formaldehyde free and latex free. That's probably what it is. That's the best one for me. So I'm just saying, if you have sensitive eyes, hooded eyes, things of that nature, this one is really great. So, okay, let me go ahead and put this on now. As you can see, I haven't even waited that long, but the lash glue is already drying, and you know, it applies perfectly. There you go. I mean, that you won't find that with other lashes or lash glues. Other lash glues already, they're too tacky, and they're just already been just transferring all over my eye. But this one here is, wow, look at that. It does have to dry a little bit more, but this is beautiful. I love how wispy the lashes are. You can see how the lengths are staggered. These actually look so hair-like. It's unbelievable, but again, these are faux lashes, so these are definitely cruelty-free, and they're not, you know, real hair at all. They're faux. They are handmade though, but look at how easily this pops on to your eye. And this is a drugstore lash. These are affordably priced. You don't need to spend, you know, $30, $50. With these lashes, look at that. They're on, they're comfortable, they're soft. It is weightless. It's not poking into my eye and making my eyes hurt. The lash band is very, you know, just weightless. So I don't feel any weight right now on my eyes. It feels like I have nothing on my eyes. And I'm just going to let this dry down and then kind of just press them together to get the perfect fit. Wow. And you know, I gotta say, these really do feel much more softer. Like they said, this collection in particular is going to feel softer, and these definitely do feel extremely soft. So these are just absolutely stunning. I'm gonna take these off and let's go ahead and try on another pair. So beauties, I'm back. I have another pair here called the Noblesse. Now these look much shorter in comparison to the Legacy, but let's go ahead and put them on and see what they actually look like on. This might be great if you're more of a natural lash gal. So let's see here. I have this one. These look really long. I just don't feel like this is gonna fit me, but you know, let's see. If it doesn't fit, you know, we can always trim it up. But yeah, this one is actually, I like this one better, I think. Wow, these looked short in the box, but actually when you put them on, they do not look short whatsoever. They look beautiful. We'll just put the other one on just to get the full effect. What do you guys think? These are just beautiful. They are not too natural. So many times you put on lash, and have you ever had that experience where you put on lashes and it looks like your own lashes, looks like you have nothing on? Some people like that, but I personally, I like to see something. I like to see a little bit of something, a little transformation take place. I thought these were going to be like that, but they're not. These give you all the glam, all the lashes. They look long, they're full and fluffy. They're beautiful, guys. What do you think? Let me just go ahead again and just kind of fix. So what do you guys think? I cannot believe how glam and beautiful and yet natural these look. They do, again, look just like, you know, human hair, like your own hair, not faux hair. These are just absolutely gorgeous. They feel weightless. They feel like a dream. So actually, I think out of the two so far, I just love these. Yeah, I love these. I could see wearing these on the regular because these are just, you know, your everyday glam look. These are beautiful. Although these are definitely party glam too as well. I mean, I don't know. These are everything. They're a multitude of looks in one. So, okay, I'm going to try on one more pair and you guys let me know which one you like the best. And don't forget to take part in today's giveaway so you could wear 2 of these lashes from this collection for yourself. So guys, now I have a pair called Sire, also from the Muse collection, and let's go ahead and try them. I've been letting them kind of, you know, get tacky with the lash glue on them, so they're hopefully ready to go, although this lash glue does dry down really fast. So that's the good news. But here they are. So these look too big too, but they all look too big to me. When I first look at them, I'm like, wow, that's not gonna fit. But actually, wow, look at that. That's amazing. Okay, I thought these were gonna be too long for me and too glam for me, but I actually love these. They're not too much. Wow. They're not. They really do look like royalty. You know, and then sometimes you hear royalty and you think of, to be honest, do you think of boring? I don't know. Some royalty looks, or I don't know, but this is not boring whatsoever. These are glam. These are gorgeous. These are beautiful. Look how easily they apply. So you definitely don't need those $50 lashes. That is just, I know in the back in the day, I purchased $50 lashes myself because it used to be that the drugstore lashes, they wouldn't pop on so easily like this. They wouldn't apply so easily. But these ones by Kiss, they've upped the game. They're just as good. They're same exact. There's no reason to purchase those $50 lashes. Unfortunately for those companies, I can't see purchasing. These are amazing. And again, so lightweight, actually weightless. Oh, the hair, the length, the hair, the fibers, the faux silk fibers are so soft. Wow. So you know what, these are amazing. They actually kind of tickle your finger when you touch them. They're just so soft. So what, now I think I like these the best. I'm not even gonna lie. I like these the best too. So beauties, I'm gonna wind up leaving these on for the day because these are just amazing. It's wonderful how lashes can transform your face, transform your look, transform your mood. Cause I'll be completely honest, I was having a bad day today and putting these lashes on has totally uplifted my mood. So these are really great. So anyway, beauties, I'll have these linked down below. Don't forget to take part in today's giveaway so you can enter two pairs of these for yourself. And of course, whoever wins, let me know how you like them. Tag me in your pictures. I want to see. And I love seeing you beauties having fun with makeup too. You know, it's so uplifting. So anyway, guys, that's pretty much it. And let me know which one out of these three that I tried on, which one are your favorites. Let me know down below, #GlamFam. And that's pretty much it. So I hope you beauties are all doing good. Oh, actually, I do just want to mention too, you know, they do have these, I'm sure you guys have seen at Walmart. They have these at CVS. They have these at Walgreens. So there's a good amount of places that you can get your Kiss lashes and your Kiss lash glue. I don't know about this collection, if it's because some collections are exclusively at Walgreens or things like that. I'm not sure about that, but I will definitely have these linked down below where you can purchase them online. So anyway, beauties, thank you again so much for coming and spending time with me today. I hope you dolls are all doing good, and I will see you very soon. Bye.